first thing I wanted to show you is our new Attent Express Pro. It's called Pro for a reason. It's newer and stronger version of our standard Attent Express. Where's the difference? Check out the construction. The construction is made out of high-strength aluminum and is really designed and developed for high-demand commercial use. And just to show you and prove you how strong this construction is, you can, for example, hang an adult person on it, and that's not a problem. Another improved feature on this construction is the locking mechanism. You just simply pull this to yourself and it releases the mechanism and you can fold the construction. Thanks to its durability, it's a perfect solution for any outdoor festival. For example, you can have some football games for kids, some tournaments going on, and you're not sure what kind of weather is going to be there for all day. With this type of construction, you can be sure it's able to face, heavy rain, strong winds, and most importantly, you can use it multiple times. It's going to survive years, this construction. So that's definitely the thing to go for.